Now to simulate a fingerprint on your emulator, we follow the same process as we follow on our own device. Now go to settings and then you go to security and select fingerprint. Now before you actually do this, you'll have to select the option that you need a fingerprint and a pin. So select any pin, say 1, 2, 3, 4, and you continue. And select any option that you want for your notifications. And now open your fingerprint option here. And you can add another finger, say finger 2, touch sensor, and then it shows that this is done. So now you've got 2 fingers for which the print has been entered. So this is how you can simulate adding fingerprints to your emulator. So just check out how we did. We went to security, then you selected fingerprint, and within fingerprint then you had a pin setup, and then you have each finger and corresponding to your finger if you need to add fingerprint, and you say fingerprint, say 4, and then you touch sensor. And when you touch sensor, it detects some impression, and then we can say done. So this is how you can add fingerprints to your emulator, and we can simulate how you get the behavior of adding fingerprints and how you can check through fingerprints API.